Hey guys, this is another internet guru, and in this video we are going to be teaching you how to fix the unusual activity detected problem with ElevenLabs. Now, to clarify this issue, this problem actually arises because ElevenLabs is no longer allowing fake emails and temporary emails to log into their system because of spamming. Now, in order to fix this, and the fastest way to fix this is to actually just use a Google ID, an Apple ID, Facebook ID, or a Facebook account, or a GitHub account, because these are well established account or email providers, and ElevenLabs doesn't have issues with them. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. This is another internet guru, and we are going to be seeing you on the next one.